Well, they say rain makes beautiful.
Ooh, very intelligent. Geil. We are back again in Grindelwald and we try to escape X-Files, escape the heat in the flatlands, and then we will hike down, and I don't know, maybe we have some great sunset moods if we are not too fast. We will see. Rasta. Yeah, I think Rasta will be happy to go, wie sagen wir dem, hunteren. Yeah. Yeah, we go hunteren, gell? Yeah. Hiking. Ah, some goats over there. I know that wasn't the goat. I don't know. I don't know the difference of the goat meh and the sheep meh. Yeah, I'm so sorry. I'll learn it for the next time. If you look now, you can see those people going down with the, how you call them? Not scooter. We call them trottinette. Yeah, trottinette. You can hire these trottinettes above and then you just drive down with it. But be careful, gal. It has wheels, so it's fast. You wouldn't be the first one laying somewhere in the bush. We have some angry clouds over there. I hope they stay over there. Yeah. I don't know exactly who has ordered this, but that's not funny, dudes. Huh? We need some sunshine, okay? I order. Aha. Someone was listening to me and the fog already disappeared. But we must talk about the clouds. Hello? When it's raining, tears from my eyes. You know the song? Yeah, it's raining right now. Hast du auch nicht bestellt? I did not order this. I don't know, someone is angry about me, I think. You don't believe me? You believe now, huh? Yeah. Someone is very angry about me.
Well, they say rain makes beautiful. And I always say, okay, the hope dies at last.
Somewhere over the rainbow. Yeah, what is over the rainbow? I don't know. But it looks nice, huh? There are some dudes flying over there. Dudes or dudinens. Yeah. Nice, oder? I wouldn't dare, but it looks nice. In Switzerland, we say, ich lehne mich jetzt ein bisschen aus dem Fenster. I lean out a little bit out of the window. And I promise some great moods, okay? Let me check if this will happen. Ah, I see some pigs. You see them? We're gonna say hello. Hey, Miss Piggy. Hi. 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 What are you talking about? Huh? I love pigs. You know, they are so intelligent. Yeah. Most of the people don't know this. They are very intelligent. Geil? Yeah. Oh, we have some steam. Huh? Yeah, from the rain and the warm air. Oh, I love this.
Normally I don't go to this place in high season, but when you go up late, there is no one. Yeah. Moose by ally. Totally alone. Ooh. You see this? Wow. That's magic. I've ordered it for you. Yeah, and they deliver. So cool, thank you. Ah, look at the light right now. It is almost like in autumn. Huh? So schön. We have almost the half of our hike. Yeah, and we need 1.5 other hours until we are down in Grindelwald again. Usually we take the other way down, but today I guess the light is better on this side. Huh? What do you think? Yeah. I think you're right. The light is not that bad right now. We can't see the peaks of the mountains, but I still have the hope that we will see the peaks soon. I give you a little tip now. If you take this way down to Grindelwald during the day with your dog, it's maybe not a good idea because bicycles are coming down, trottinettes are coming down, cars are coming up and down, everything is coming up and down, you know. It's very busy during the day. So I would recommend the other way. Yeah, when it is busy. Wat machst du unter der Tanne? What are you doing there? We're playing hide and seek or what? I see you. Yeah. I love the late light because then you have great shadows of the trees. In autumn you have this during the day because the sun is low, you know. I love this game between shadow and light. Hey Rasta, the last light. Probably. No, I don't hope that it is the last light because I've ordered some Alpglow. I've ordered a little bit late, so I'm not sure if we will get the Alpglow today. But we will see. I always tell Rasta to slow down, but in his mind he is a child, a puppy. Huh? Look at them all. They do. You look so happy. We are already in Grindelwald, a little bit above Grindelwald, on a higher altitude. And now we're waiting for the sunset colors. Woo! Druk het daumen. Keep your fingers crossed. You can see as usual the JPX file and the 3D animation of the hike on my Patreon site. If you like to have more information. Okay? If not, just enjoy. Ooh, it's a little bit creepy now. I love these moods too. Yeah. No colors, but creepy, it's okay. I'm fine with that. I'm on the way to disappoint you. I think we won't get some colors. I'm so sorry. Yeah, do not unsubscribe. Yeah, but we had a nice hike together, huh? Wasn't it? Yeah, I think so. I'm totally impressed about all these little houses, which are so nicely decorated with all the flowers. It's so much love in there, huh? Yeah, I don't have this patience. After 3.5 hours, we finally arrived back in Grindelwald without any Alpglow. I'm so sorry. But I'm quite sure that you enjoyed this hike in the mountains.